Christine, nagulat din kami nung parang naging public yung relationship niyo ni Nico. Because when you were just, I think starting mga 2 years ago, you were so naive. Parang ganun ang tingin namin sa'yo. You were so naive. Tapos parang very conservative dahil sabi mo may kapatid kang pulis, ganyan na parang takot yung mga manliligaw. Paano nakapasok si Nico sa iyong pamilya, sa ganun ka-conservative na pamilya?
Ako yung pumasok.
Ito, pumasok ka.
Ginano ko yung buhay ni Nico.
Okay.
Kasi gusto ko mag-change. Just kidding. No, siguro, hindi ko alam parang biglang dumating. So, parang I'd say na biglang may changes na dumating sa life ko. And for me to experience more, to explore more, to grow more. And nakita ko yun sa kanya, to that person. Because I was introvert person before. But then when I met that guy, natutunan ko na makipag-socialize sa ibang people. Natutunan ko na mag-stand up for myself, speak up for myself. Na parang ayokong mag-stuck sa like parang old me na self ko. Na kasi parang inisip ko like what he told me na marami pang magandang experiences sa life ko na darating. It's on me na lang kung paano ko siya haharapin. And sabi niya sa akin na we all have a choice. So, pinili ko yung choice na yun na i-open siya for my life. So, I can like explore more.
Okay.
Yes.
Paano naman yung reception ng pamilya niya sa'yo when you went to Canada?
Yung family niya, sobrang bait ng family niya. Wala akong masasabi sa family niya kasi they raised him na really well. And sobrang love ng family niya si Nico. So, more on nung nagkaroon kami ng time or bonding together with the family, mas nakita ko yung love sa kanilang lahat, na like strong yung family nila and palaging love yung sinushow nila to each other. So, okay naman sila. Yeah.
Okay,
Very welcoming.